Labor shortages or absent workers can become complications that affect your production schedule. However, PlanetTogether has a quick and easy way to adjust the schedule to compensate for these situations. If a line worker is unavailable for a shift, the number of people available for that shift can be adjusted. Changing the number of people assigned will automatically regenerate the schedule to take the change into account. From the Gantt view in PlanetTogether, click the Capacity Tools link. Move the capacity interval height slider to the right until the shift details are available. Locate the line resource the worker was scheduled on. Double-click on the affected shift to open the capacity interval dialog box. In the Number of People field, reduce the count by 1. Click Save and Close. Notice the schedule changed by extending the operation. Other operations dependent on this one or with linked material requirements will also be automatically adjusted. In the case where this line cannot be operated with less than 2 people, it must be taken offline for that shift. Double-click on the affected shift to open the capacity interval dialog box again. Select the Offline button. Click Save and Close. As before, the schedule automatically adjusts.